Blue flag or Iris versicolor was an important medicine among the American tribes. Considered to be a strong medicine, it was used by the Cree, the Chippewa, the Senka, and other tribes. It was used for swelling, bruises, burns, sores, inflammation, and blood poisoning. Internally, it was used to treat colds, sore throats, lung troubles, and as a purgative. In 1749, the colonials were using this herb to treat leg sores and other slow-healing wounds. It was also listed to fight against syphilis, rabies, sore mouth ulcers, and wounds. Taking blue flag in a small amount can bring instant relief from vomiting and nausea. However, an overdose of the herb can induce vomiting. The Native Americans from North America used blue flag to treat skin-related conditions like sores, burns, rheumatism, syphilis, acne, eczema, and bruises. They considered the herb to be a cure-all. Blue flag is known as liver lily due to the fact that the dried roots of the herb help in solving liver problems. There's some chemicals present in the herb that help in bile production and in stimulating the function of the liver. Blue flag can also help with fluid retention, bloating, chronic rheumatism, weight gain, colic, and pelvic inflammatory ailments. In Ayurveda, it was used for swelling, liver diseases, and elephantitis. In modern herbalism, it's used to detoxify the body. It increases urination and bile production and has a mild laxative effect. Some caution should be exercised because there have been reports that large doses can be poisonous. The fresh root is quite acrid. When taken internally, it can cause nausea, vomiting, colic, and purging. Taken internally as a tea, the root has been used as a strong laxative or emetic that also acts strongly on the liver and promotes the excretion of excess body fluids. It's also stimulating for the circulatory and the lymph system. Its detoxifying effect makes it useful for treating psoriasis, acne, herpes, arthritis, swollen glands, pelvic inflammatory diseases. Externally, it was applied to skin diseases, wounds, and rheumatic joints. The roots were boiled in water and then they were mashed to make a poultice, and this was used to relieve the pain and the swelling related with sores and bruises. It can be used in skin eruptions like acne, spots, and blemishes. For more chronic skin diseases like eczema and psoriasis, it's valuable as part of a wider treatment. It can be used whenever there's constipation associated with liver problems or the gallbladder. It's been reported to stimulate the motility of fat, and it's been used in weight loss. It was used in endocrine conditions and other glandular disorders, including hypothyroidism. Based on the available scientific evidence, there's no proven safe and effective dose for blue flag. According to expert opinion, the fresh rhizome should only be applied to the skin and should never be taken internally, as it can irritate the mouth and it's much more likely to cause nausea and diarrhea. Various forms of blue flag have been used, including decoctions, dried rhizomes, fluid extracts, powdered roots, solid extracts, and tinctures. Many plants in the genus are thought to be poisonous if ingested. Plants can cause skin irritations and allergies in some people. The fresh roots can cause nausea, vomiting, and severe cases of diarrhea. A volatile oil that's found in the blue flag is an irritant to the mucous membrane. Irritation of the throat and a headache have also been reported. The sap can cause skin irritations. It should not be used internally except in small doses under the supervision of a professional. It should not be used by people with allergies. It should not be used by pregnant or breastfeeding women. It's not recommended for use by young children. The root is acrid and it can cause a skin rash or skin eruptions. The herb is unsafe when used in patients with gastrointestinal disorders or neurological disorders. To learn more about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.